Hello there, Tanmay here. Today's topic is real estate. So in today's video, we are not going to discuss about how you can grow your real estate business, but for that I will make another video. But today we are going to discuss that how we can, if you have a construction ready here, if you are building something and your building is under construction and you want immediate leads, then how you can get immediate leads using this digital and online world. That's I'm gonna explain in a very effective way, so just stay tuned. And another thing, for those who are new on this channel is for entrepreneurship, business, marketing, digital marketing and startups. So let's get started with our topic.
I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business of your side. Now, raise the money, hire experts, and grow. I am here to answer your questions. Start making videos.
So first step is that you have to make your temporary website. So now what is temporary website? That you may have your personal website or you may have your business website, but what you do, where there is your construction site, make a website of that area. Let's say your construction is going on in a Superior Park, then what you do, you make a temporary website named superiorparkproperties.com. let's say Global Road, then globalroadproperties.com. so what is the benefit of this? If you make a website of a particular area where your real construction is going on, let's say in my area Savadi Road, there is a construction going on. So what will I do? I will make a website savadiroadproperties.com. so what will happen, people to whom I will show my ad, they will click on my ad, and then when they will jump on our website, that let's say savadiroadproperties.com, and when they fill the form on this website, then you will understand that these people are highly interested in these properties, because despite of seeing the name of Savadi Road Properties, they fill the form, because that means they want the property in this Savadi Road area. That's a very good lead. And when you'll ask them for meeting, then you can maybe convert them more better, because you know this person is highly interested in this area. And if they don't land, if they don't fill the form you have given, then it's okay, because you have saved your time and their time as well, because you know someone will come and then you will tell them that I have property here, and they will see, then they think, oh no, I don't want property in this area because maybe XYZ reasons. This will save your time. So if they fill the form, this part of saving the savadiroadproperties.com, this will help you a lot understand what customers actually want, and they are highly effective lead. So make sure you have a website of the property, you know, the area.com. So next is, if you have two construction sites, let's say you have one here and one here, one is very luxury starting from 80 lakh and one is just okay, it's just starting from 20 lakh. So what you have to do, you have to make two websites. Why? Because people who are gonna buy the luxurious site are gonna, you know, there are different people, they have lots of money, their thinking is different, and you should understand that who is who and who is there for, you know, buying 80 lakh property and who is there for to buy the 20 lakh property. So it's very important that you make two different websites, so when you will collect the leads for the two different website, you'll easily understand that this person has come to buy the 20 lakh property, this person has buy to, you know, so you will make yourself mentally ready, and you will do the, you know, precautions, you will take all the things from your side, so you know that better. So make sure you make two websites if you have two luxurious sites. Okay, so this is very first important part, that's done. Let's jump to the next part, target audience. Yeah, so next thing is target audience. So it's very important that you know to whom you are showing your ad, because if you show your ad to everyone, it's not gonna work and you will waste your money. So it's very important that you identify the ideal customer profile and personas of your audience. So what is persona? Their age, their living style, their income level. If you just type personas for real estate, you know, then Google will give you the list, and you have to study this list, because you know running advertising is not that easy that how you think. You know, it needs practice, it needs trials and errors, and if you are running advertise for the first time, then I'm suggesting you that you just don't run ad, you study first and give your project to someone who has experience in running ads, because you know you will waste lots of time and you will waste a lot of money if you just your ad go wrong. Okay, so make sure you have some experience, or just pass this project of advertising to someone who has a good experience, because because advertising is not the thing that you can learn in 1 month, or just you buy one course and you just understand advertising. It's a marketing, it's a trial and error, and there are so many professionals who are good in this. So my suggestion is, for if you don't have any experience, just let them do the work. So how to identify the personas? If you type on Google, as I said, there will be list come age, living style, income level, then where they work, how they look like, the ideal customer profile, how to build the ideal customer profile. And this is very important when you run ad, because for making an ad copy, for making a video, you should understand what is your ideal customer profile, how your ideal audience look, what is his income level, where do he live, all on all. So this is very important that you know your audience. Okay, this is first step. So next, let's jump to the advertising. So now, if you don't have any experience on advertising, let me give a little thing. So local area. So what you have to do, make a video of your property that this. You have to make 3 and 4 ad copies of this. You have to make 3 or 4 videos. So different videos for different campaign. So first video will show that how your property looks. Second video is, hey, are you living in Saudi area? This is the property. We have luxurious pool, we have this, we have that. Next video is, hey, do you want to buy a house in this area? We got something for this, or something for those people, these people. So you'll make 2, 3, 4 videos of different. So what is your focus is that we have the property in Saudi area. So this will directly, when you show to people who need a property in Saudi ad, they will just, oh, there's a property in Saudi ad, oh, there's a pool, there's a park, oh, this is how it looks, this is the area, oh, this is for me, because they are saying, hey, do you want property in Saudi area? Then this will, when the people will come to your, they will click on your video, then they will jump to your website and they'll fill the form. Then this is highly capable lead. This is the lead you want. So you'll be able to understand, okay, this person's watched my video and he has jumped to my website, and now he is meeting with me. He's going to meet with me. So understand that, okay, this is the qualified lead. So this is how you are going to use videos. So run this video out on YouTube in your local area. So let's say local area means whatever your targeted area, you have to study that as well. So you just run that ad into this area, different area where you want to, where your ideal customer lives. So on LinkedIn, Facebook and YouTube, make sure you have Facebook page, because Facebook page you have to make sure you have to upload all these videos on Facebook page. And while running a Facebook ad, you must have a Facebook page. Without Facebook page, you cannot run a Facebook ad. Okay, that's very important. So make sure, if you have no experience in advertising, just hand over this work to the experts. Okay, because it's all about practice advertising. Next is virtual tour. So what is virtual tour? Virtual tours mean, what do you have to do? It's a simple, make videos of your flat, how it looks, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, use some drones if you can afford, and more. Show them every details, what you have made, what is the plaster, furniture, whatever you have, just show them everything. And if they come after seeing this, then these people are also highly interested, because maybe someone is living 100 kilometers and you will show them that property. Come one day you will best, that's not, they will get stressed. So better you have something video ready, and you will just upload these videos on your website and Facebook page, or if you have YouTube channel, then you can upload that on YouTube channel as well. So this will help your prospect, this will help your audience to understand the property more detail. Okay, and next is property website. Last point is that make sure you register on your local property websites. There are so many websites. Just register your a property in there, and you'll get daily calls as well. So this is how you are going to do your marketing of real estate business. So next video I'm gonna make on that, how to grow your real estate business. This video is about how to do the marketing of real estate business. Actually, marketing is a very big thing, but I have explained some good points here, and you have to do this. But I could have told that, run website, have website, run advertising, run Facebook ad, make video. This is not 1.3.5 points. I've explained some more detailed things, that you have to have a temporary websites and how you can use the temporary website, and what video you have to make, that are you living in this area, do you want this flat in this area, run this ad on LinkedIn, run this ad on YouTube, hire experts. So make sure you like this video, and if you like, I know you know what you have to do, and Let's meet in the next video where I'll explain that how you can grow your real estate business, the long-term process. So thank you for watching. Thank you.